Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I recently acquired a palette that has been around for a while and is a cult classic. It was on sale at Ulta. I believe it was half off. It is the Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm not sure when this palette originally launched. It has been a classic for a long time. There are hundreds of thousands of videos on it, I bet. It's a beautiful, soft, pale pink purple velvet component, and inside we have some beautiful neutral tones and some berry tones. I was never going to pay full price for this palette. The shadows don't speak to me that much, but because it is such a classic and it was for such a good deal, I grabbed it. This palette comes with 9 matte shades and 5 shimmers. Some of the colors in here have been repeated into the Soft Glam eyeshadow palette, which is another reason that I wasn't going to get it originally, because I already had those colors. I do have 2 videos on the Soft Glam eyeshadow palette, which I will link up here and below, so you can check those out. That was a while ago. I was in my old apartment, still filming on the floor in the living room. So I just want to throw a look together at this, see if it's everything that it's cracked up to be, if it's worth your money. And before we get into the video, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and give us a big thumbs up if you like this kind of content. It's really dark today. I'm so sorry. The pink shades in the palette are the ones that stopped me from buying it for so long, because they're not really shades that I would normally use, so I do want to make sure that I use those today. Let's start with Burnt Orange, taking it on my JH30. As always, these shadows are incredibly soft, and so you need to go in with a very gentle hand. They blend really well and really quickly, however. I'm just buffing this windshield wiper motions, inner and outer part of the eye. And on the JH36, I'm going to take Red Ochre, put it right into the crease of my eye, focusing it mostly on the outer part of the eye today, maybe halfway in. That's a really pretty color. I haven't seen a color like that before. More burnt orange. Make sure it's blended and smoked out. Still on the JH36, I'm going to take Love Letter. Ooh. And I'm going to start from the inner corner. Here's where we are so far. I've packed a Love Letter into the inner part of the eye and then blended it up to the other shadows in the crease. I'm just going to blend those together. There's not really any product on this brush. Make everything look soft. On my JH41, I'm going to take Venetian Red. It's a similar color to Love Letter, but this one is sparkly, while Love Letter is a matte shade. It's not like major sparkly. It's kind of matte, but it does have a... Whoa! You see that? Oh, ABH shadows are so dusty. It's kind of crazy, but they're good and pigmented. I like my palettes to have more shimmers than mattes, so it's kind of slowing me down that there are so few shimmers. And all the shimmers are really light. I'm going to take Antique Bronze on the same brush. Whoa, gently, 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 jeez. It just kind of fall apart if you're not too careful. And I'm going to just kind of blend this gently across my lid. Adding some depth to the outer part of the eye. Primavera on the center of the eyelid. I'm going to take a finger to do that. Some of these are really harsh lines, so I just want to blend that together. And for my brow bone highlight, I picked up something extra special today. I've been waiting for this to come back for over a year maybe. I was so excited when I saw that Anastasia announced that this would be coming back. I was first introduced to this before I started using highlighting products, and I was heartbroken when I realized I couldn't get it once I got into the highlighting game. So today for brow bone highlight, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. Oh, I'm so excited! I've been waiting for this forever! So it comes in beautiful packaging. And then the inside's the most exciting part. It's just like a wave of gold. It's so pretty. I've been waiting for this forever! I'm so excited! I don't even want to touch it. Look how perfect this is. So pretty. And so on my tiny JH42, I'm going to just dabble right in the corner there. I don't want to ruin it yet. It's like liquid gold. And maybe I'll take some and I'll put it right in the middle of the eyelid. Alright, I'm going to do my base makeup. I'm actually filming another video doing that, testing out the Clarisonic foundation brush. So stay tuned for that, and I'll be right back. And we're back. That was a unique experience. Moving onward with our tutorial / first impressions. I'm going to use some of the shades that we've already gone through for the crease. So I'm going to take Burnt Orange. This is the JH36 again. Snart. I'm going to snart buffing it. Snart. People are coming home. Lots of people coming into the complex right now. Everyone stops by the mailboxes. I have a very good place to spy on people from. I want to take Love Letter. I'm really gonna smoke this out pretty far. But also keeping it to the outer corner of the eye. I don't want to take this in too far. I think that would help that would make me look more sick than I am. A little bit of red ochre. Just to make it all tie in together on the outer corner of the eye. For inner corner highlight, I'm going to go back in with the Amrezy highlighter. This is on the JH39. I always like to highlight this part of my eye as well. Bring it out and down. Packing some onto this brush because I want to get it wet. With the Milani Make It Last. That was a lot. Alright, I'm going to finish off the rest of my face and I'll be back to show you the finished look. Well, I'll probably be back to apply my highlighter so we can see how pretty it is. Alright, we are almost done. So I have everything on except for my highlight, setting powder, setting spray. But I want to do a first impressions of the Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm taking this on my Luxie Precision Foundation brush. I use this as a highlighting brush. Ugh, I don't want to ruin the beautiful embossing. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty! Ah! Look at that. Oh, I'm in love. That is beaming. I love that. Alright, we're done. I used 3 lip products today, for some reason. As a base, I used the Bare Minerals Matte Liquid Lipstick in Swag. And then I put the Anastasia lip gloss in Toffee on the outer corners of my lips. And then I put the Essence Shine 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 lip gloss in Smile Sparkle Shine on the center of my lips. If you guys enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel. I really like how this look turned out. It's just a little different. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Can't stop, won't stop, not stop, running for my life. It's a mansion party.